Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to update TBC UZ Mobile Banking app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At bottom you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you'll be led to the search interface. Tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is type in TBC UZ. Once you do that, search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for TBC UZ and tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options over here, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to find the option for update. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once your application has been updated, you'll be able to access the smoother performance. Also, you'll be able to access new features. Also, all the bugs will be fixed. So like this, you'll be able to update this app. So that is how you update TBC UZ mobile banking app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.